Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est jeudi le 7 septembre. Today is Thursday, September 7th. Aujourd'hui, we have an Aujourd'hui dans l'histoire, this day in history slide, for which you'll also be answering a couple of discussion questions. Just a quick note on that too. They are called discussion questions, but you don't actually have to respond to anybody else. I will respond to you sometimes, but you don't need to respond to others. There might be some times when that changes, but for now, since we're just answering questions that are factual as opposed to your own opinion or take on something, you don't need to bother responding to anybody else. So we'll have that. I would also like you to practice with la chanson, our song of the week about the months of the year, janvier, février, mars. You have a quiz on the personne spéciale that we looked at a little bit yesterday. And then lastly, I'm going to have you sign up for your Quizlet class and do some vocab practice with that. Okay. Aujourd'hui, c'est jeudi, le 7 septembre. Today is Thursday, September 7th. L'anniversaire de Marcel Desailly. L'anniversaire, we think of anniversaire like anniversary, usually as a wedding anniversary. L'anniversaire en français, c'est birthday, like the anniversary of a person's birth. Et aujourd'hui, c'est l'anniversaire de Marcel Desailly. Il jouait au football en France. Jouait au football, played soccer. Il est né, he was born, au Ghana. Au Ghana. Take a look at this map to find out where Ghana is located. Avec l'équipe nationale de France, il a gagné la Coupe du Monde en 1998. With the national team of France, il a gagné, won, la Coupe du Monde, the World Cup, en 1998. Et il y a une vidéo, you can watch Marcel Desailly talking about soccer a little bit here. And then I want you to answer these questions. What is he famous for? And then where was he born? And when you say that, I want you to mention the continent as well as the country where he was born. So hopefully what I just said will help you with that. You have your second quiz today, une interrogation. So use this paragraph as you take the quiz. It's going to help you quite a bit. And I'm going to change this because it is no longer jeudi le 17 septembre, c'est jeudi le 7 septembre. Aujourd'hui, c'est jeudi le 7 septembre et la personne spéciale s'appelle Victoria. Elle préfère Victoria. Elle ne préfère pas Vicky. Elle est en année 3. Elle n'est pas en année 10. So if you watched yesterday the interview that I gave my daughter, you saw the questions I asked her that helped us to come up with that summary. You also saw that summary in yesterday's slides. So what we're going to do today is use that summary, and you're going to listen to some vrai ou faux questions, and you'll answer those vrai ou faux questions using your listening quiz form. We'll show you that in just a minute. I also want to mention, though, that a few of the questions on this quiz also have to do with le TPR, les gestes, your action word vocab. So la classe parle, la classe lui dit, la classe habite. So as long as you've been watching these videos and you're up on that vocab, you should be fine. Okay, so you have this in front of you. Now where are you going to go to answer the questions that are in this video? Well, you will go to Schoology. On the main page of Schoology, at the very top, you have these buttons. So you're going to be using the listening quiz form button. That will take you to a form that you'll fill out. The name of the quiz, I have forgotten to update it, so I will update this. The name of quiz will be the second one, Personne Spéciale Victoria. You'll put in your name, you'll put in Online Academy, and then you will answer the questions. So I will have that ready for you today by the time this video comes out. So after you're finished with the quiz and with your discussion, the only other thing I want you to do today is to enroll in our Quizlet class. So you'll go up here, you'll click on this blue button, Quizlet Vocab Review, and then this is going to take you to the join our class link. So since I'm already in our class, it doesn't take me there, but it might look a little bit different on your end. So in here, you're going to see a few different Quizlet sets. You're going to see one that is mostly from our Branche ou Crocodile story. It has some of our vocab from our next story called Le Tigre qui parle, so you'll recognize most of this. The question words like who, what, where, when, we're going to be continuing to use those a lot. So I expect you to be working with those. Les jours de la semaine, the days of the week. So again, that was your, we had a song with those on the first week. Lundi, mardi, mercredi. Les mois, we have the song this week. Janvier, février, mars. This also includes the seasons, so that's a little bit extra, but mostly it's what you've learned from this song. Les nombres, which we'll be focusing on a little bit more next week, and then la personne spéciale. The terms in this set, la personne spéciale, are going to go beyond what we've learned so far for la personne spéciale, but I still want you to use that, maybe not so much right now, but later on this year. So you are going to be practicing with the Branche ou Crocodile ones this week. And then, like I said, there are going to be some new ones from the Tigre qui parle, but mostly what I want you to do is just sign up for our class so that you have the option to use these for studying later on. And once you have done that and you've played around a little bit with the Branche ou Crocodile study set, as well as any of the others that you'd like to, you'll be all set for today. Au revoir tout le monde!